this thing exercise related to this, and probably you will understand with the help of that.
Okay. Should I screen
Now,
share?
no, we are yet to do the third section and the fourth section.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, this was the second part. Coming to the part three. Now, in the part three, most of the times there are MCQ questions, okay, or there are matching questions. Now, even if it is a matching question or an MCQ question, here the level of difficulty is little higher. Reason being, here there are two people in conversation.
Yes, the test I took, it was two students. I think it was, I forgot the names, but they were just discussing about an assignment they have to submit.
Hmm.
And the first part was not that hard, but the second part, where you have to choose two options, was a bit
Mhm.
complicated. But I was still
Yes.
able to go through it
Now,
pretty
why
easily.
it is complicated? Because both of them are speaking and both of them have different opinions. So when
Yes.
you are doing this in the MCQ, especially if suppose there are two people like John and Ron, okay. Now, if the question says, "What is John's opinion on this?" Don't listen to Ron. Listen to John carefully. Okay, Ron might say an option, and that will be the option in the answer. That will go incorrect if you listen to
Yes.
Ron. You have to listen to John very carefully. Okay, when both of them agree together, that is your main answer. Okay, suppose if the John says, I agree that nowadays people are busy. I think too. I think too. That means now this is your answer. Mark it quickly.
Hmm. What
Okay,
both
so this
come
is
to an
how you're
agreement
going to.
is supposed to be my answer. Yes.
Correct, correct. But some questions may ask you only John's opinion. Some question may ask you both opinion. Some questions may ask you Ron opinion. So you have to listen in that way.
Sometimes they
All
ask
right.
like,
They may.
were they able to
Mhm.
agree, like it was an assignment that they had to, so it was like, what difficulties are both of them facing, what is the difficulty Ron
Mhm.
is facing, and what is the difficulty that John is facing. So there's like a bit mixture of all of this stuff.
Correct. Big mixture of all of that. And you have to also understand that they're going to, what they do is they speak all the options. So you have to identify which is the correct option. So when they
Yes,
agree both of them, that is your correct option. All right.
because there's no
Then
distinct
coming to
difference
the
of being a wrong answer, like everything sounds to be almost right, so you have to pick the closest thing to
option
right.
where both of them agree together.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the matching questions. In the matching questions, you will be given a separate list of answers and separate questions. So from that list, everything cannot be the answer. You have to select according to what they speak. All right.
Okay.
So we are going to do this, then only you will understand. Now coming to the part 4. Part 4 is not very difficult because here, but still people say it's difficult. Why it's difficult? Because they speak, there is a lot of speaking going on. Mostly there are blanks only in this question. And there is a
Hmm.
lot of speaking going on. Okay. They very quickly they move from one statement to other statement and then third statement. So lot of
That's gonna
speaking
be
is
fine.
going on.
I
Hmm.
watch movies without subtitles, so this is okay. The new
So
Hollywood
here,
movies, they have ruined everything with
mhm,
like, they like four people would be speaking with like, one is in southern accent and the one is in like maybe a western accent. So you have to just watch those without subtitles. This is gonna be easy for you.
but you have to be very close to the keywords. They're going to speak the keywords and the answer comes up quickly, real
Yes.
quick. Only be careful of the spelling. Spelling errors shouldn't be there.
Yes, I need to practice my spellings because mostly on computers and stuff you have suggestive words, so you're just not careful with even the simpler words like
Yeah. And
Wednesday.
most
You
of the
just
time,
you
what
type
happens is
wed.
typing errors come up. Yes.
Yes.
All
So
right.
just
So
need to
yeah,
practice.
you can share the screen now and let's do.